So before moving on to our next speaker, a quick word from me, in fact. As I said a bit earlier, I've been organizing a workshop with Donny this summer, but it's something I've been doing for more than 2 years now, organizing workshops for iOS developers. And this activity didn't had so far a name or a brand, but I realized that I've been spoiled by myself in the back. So I'm happy to introduce to you this new brand, and sorry about the big, oh, we missed one. So this is the name. Well, it's Mobile Workshops. Yeah, thank you. So we've been doing mobile workshops, which is the name, obviously, with trainers that obviously you might know because some of them are here today. We've been working mostly on those two topics, SwiftUI, Combine, which is not dead, concurrency. We have upcoming new topics that will come later on this year at the beginning of 2023 with Advanced SwiftUI, unit testing, and Jetpack Compose. I think you know this one. I think you know you want. Okay. We've had attendees from lots of those amazing companies and many more. So if you are interested, if you want to attend one of the upcoming sessions, we have one at the end of October on concurrency and one at the end of November on SwiftUI. The website is here, the email is here, the Twitter handle is here. It's a 5, not a S at the end, because obviously Twitter handles are always taken when you need those. So, thank you for your attention.